This Century 21 TheOne property video is presented by Diane Rock. Enjoy maintenance-free living in this meticulously maintained ranch. Beautiful hardwood floors and tiling throughout the home. New countertops and appliances in the kitchen. Bright dining room with a door leading to the backyard. Spacious living room. Master suite boasts a large master bathroom and walk-in closet. New central air and new carpets in the bedrooms. Fully handicap accessible with wide hallways and a large one-car garage. Close to shopping, restaurants and schools. For more information, review the details below.